My name is Margie Garcia, and I have here with me Orlan Parawan and Lynn Legarda, and we are the Board of Directors of Alaska Federation of Filipino Americans. For short, Alaska Federation is called AFFA, and we are a non-profit organization, and one of our mission is to increase civic awareness and to attain high quality, to grow and work together and be a valued contributing members of the community.
Tudor Bingo has been and is still our biggest and number one fundraiser since 2012. The proceeds that we receive from Tudor Bingo is used to fund our organizational operating expenses, to develop and promote and maintain our programs and activities such as the enhancement of our AFFA youth program. We also provide public service to health and welfare, education, public safety, and government issue. Provide leadership and educational and literacy training to our youth and adults.
We give financial aid for scholarships, participate actively in community programs, and give donations to our civic and nonprofit organizations and financial assistance to members of our community.
We thank you, Tudor Bingo, and we greet Mr. Powers
A
a very happy
birthday.
birthday. Thank you.